So let's get started. What is Facebook Marketplace? So the Marketplace is a convenient destination for people to discover and buy items. Here's the reality. The Marketplace is part of the Facebook, application, the tool, Facebook. So it is a social media tool. And on that social media tool, you have the opportunity to sell products that you may have around your house. You can sell products that you want to drop ship. You can sell products that you want to source, that you have for your own store. There's so many different products, but Facebook Marketplace is part of the Facebook social media tool. And it is a specific button. It's actually called the Marketplace, where you can list those items, and it is nicely integrated with the garage sale groups. So if you're selling locally, works great. You can sell it in the Facebook garage sale groups. If you're going to ship it to a customer, works great. Again, you list your products. We're going to go through all that. But the Facebook Marketplace tool is part of the Facebook Marketplace social media app. And again, it gives you the flexibility to be able to list products or things that you want to sell around the house, get rid of. And the great thing is that it originally started because of the garage sale groups. And it just expanded into something much bigger so that you can sell across the US and, depending on where you're connected, other places. So people can find what they're looking for when they go and search by their location, if they want to buy locally, by the category, or by the price. And the revenue for Facebook Marketplace, oh my gosh, from second quarter of 2020, was that 18 million? That's crazy. Mm-hmm. And that's up from 16 million from 2019. So that's up 11%. So I'm sure that in 2021, when they have all the numbers pulled together for 2021, I'm sure that those numbers will have gone up, probably up to 20 million. But again, it's a great platform for you to be able to sell on, and we're going to show you why you need to sell on this platform. Is there anything else you want to add to this, Claude, about Facebook Marketplace?
I think eBay and some of these other platforms better watch out, because this is going to be massive with the low fees and everything. This is a great, because I mean, you really got to think about how many people are on Facebook and how many people are like, have an eBay account, or when you start looking at Amazon and all these. But that's, like you said, it's all social. So they're connecting all these different garage sale places and selling. You can just go in and find all these different selling, I don't want to say platforms, but groups, all these different groups. And it's amazing how you can connect everything together. It is crazy.
So, since it's a media platform, it's like, okay, I'm hanging out, talking online with my friends, or interacting with people that I know, or posting about my day. And, oh, by the way, I needed to buy a pair of socks, or I need to get a stroller, or whatever I have to get. I need to buy a new light. You're just already on the platform. So you literally could interact and hang out with people simultaneously while buying products or selling products that you have available. So this is a picture of the Facebook Marketplace. This is my local area. As you can see, it says Frisco, Texas. Well, I'm in Texas. And so again, this is what Facebook Marketplace looks like. You can see that some of them say ships to you and others say Dallas. You'll also notice that they don't have the required on Amazon or some of the other platforms, the white background. So you see these ships to you, and they don't have to have that white background. I can pick up some of these, or I can have them shipped to me, and they're amazing pictures. And you've got the price right there. It tells you exactly what it is. You can click on it for more detail. So this is just, again, what the Marketplace looks like. And up here at the top, this is the little icon that you see when you log into your Facebook account. So I'm circling it with my mouse, and that is the start of your Facebook Marketplace. And you're browsing over here, but we're going to get into the categories in just a sec.